P6 students, parents and guardians, and everybody who is around. Welcome to our today's radio learning program for science. This is a continuation of radio programs produced by Rwanda Education Board with the support of UNICEF Rwanda in partnership with Inspire, Educate and Empower Rwanda, IEE. We will be learning science together with primary 6 students. Welcome. I am teacher GERARD. This program is organized so that our children can keep on learning while at home, despite the challenges caused by coronavirus disease breakout. I am so happy with the parents and guardians, and I appreciate you for the support you give to the students and the program. May you keep supporting this learning process by being part of their learning at home as you keep keen eyes on them. Students, get your pens and notebooks ready for taking notes, doing exercises, and homework. Also remember to bring with you the textbook or the few printed pages as we agreed last time. Then sit next to the radio, tune it to be loud enough, and be ready to listen keenly. Seconds to get organized. Great, students. Now, before we start, let us stand up to tune ourselves to the lesson by singing a song. I am going to sing the song 2 times. As you listen, then you will join me as we sing for the 3rd time. Is that clear? Good. Stand up. The song goes. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. Students, can you join me and we sing together? Great. Let us sing. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord, sing unto the Lord a new song. Wonderful, wonderful, students. That's so great. Now, students, can you remember what we learned about last time? Perfect. In our last lesson, we learned about waste management techniques. Is that correct? Wonderful, wonderful. Now, students, can you remember the golden rule of environmental stewardship? Marvelous. The 3 R's: recycle, reuse, reduce. Is that right? Good. Again, my friends, can you mention some of the processes of waste management? Seconds for that. Very good. I like that. The processes of waste management that we talked about include professional garbage collection, safe waste transportation, proper waste processing, recycling and reusing, upcycling, and compositing. Is that right, students? Excellent.
Come along and
Now, our lesson today is going to be a different one. Now we are switching from wastes. My friends, we are leaving wastes alone. Now we are going to something else. We are going to the human body. You and me, we want to start seeing about ourselves. What are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about circulatory system. Can you say circulatory system? Great. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-T-O-R-Y. Circulatory system. Write that one down at the top of your clear page. Good. Repeat after me, class. Circulatory system. Good. Circulatory system is a natural process through which blood in the body of animals, remember animals, not only human beings, but animals, the blood move from one point to the other, carrying different functions in the body. I want to repeat. Circulatory system is a natural process through which blood in the body of animals move from one point to the other, carrying different functions in the body. The body of animals is composed of muscles, blood vessels, and bones. The blood in all the animals move in and around these three things: the muscles, the blood vessels, and the bones. Do you understand? Good. Main functions of human circulatory system. Can you write that one down? I repeat. Main functions of human circulatory system. Wow. The main function of the human circulatory system include 1. Transportation of oxygen to blood cells. Number 2. Transportation of digested food nutrients to the cells of the body. Number 3. Transportation of carbon dioxide from cells to excretory organs. I want to spell excretory. E-X-C-R-E-T-O-R-Y. Excretory. Transportation of carbon dioxide from cells to excretory organs. I know you are going to ask me, teacher, which are these excretory organs? My friends, we will see that one later. Don't worry, we are going there. The other main function of the circulatory system is transportation of hormones to the glands. Hormones. I'm spelling hormones. H-O-R-M-O-N-E-S. Transportation of hormones to the glands. Now another question is, teacher, what are these hormones? My friends, hormones are hormones. Okay, now, have you ever wondered, when I was young, very, very young, I did not have some breasts growing. My voice was still deep if I'm a boy. But then later on, the voice changes and now I can speak in a deep voice. When I'm now growing to be a bigger girl, the voice becomes small. And I can now speak in a good small voice. Why? The body did not have a specified shape. But now the boys are having broad chests. What happens, my friends, is there are some chemicals in the body. These chemicals are called hormones. What are they called? Good, hormones. Hormones are chemical components of the body. They are responsible for secondary growth. So when you are changing from a child to an adult, there are some features on your body. What promotes the growth of these features are hormones. Do you understand? Wonderful. Now, organs of the human circulatory system. Let us see the organs of the human circulatory system. The circulatory system in human beings is made up of 3 main organs. Number 1, the heart. Right, that one, the heart. This is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. Number 2, blood vessels. These are tubes, big or small, but they carry blood around the body. They are of different sizes and types, depending on what they do. The third organ, or the complement of circulation, is blood. Blood must be there for the heart to pump and for the circulatory system to be complete, because it is blood that is being pumped by the heart to the body. Now, blood. This is the transport fluid in the body. When we want food to go somewhere, it goes in blood. When we want hormones to go somewhere, it goes in blood. When we want oxygen to move to all parts of the body, it moves in blood. When we want carbon dioxide to get out of the body, through the blood. Is that clear? Wonderful.
Come along and play with us.
Now, let us see the structure of the human heart. I want you to look at the book. There was a page that I told you to print. Are you there? Wonderful. Now, refer to the paper or page of the book that shows the structure of the human heart. Seconds, just to look. Good. The human heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. It is divided into 4 chambers. 2 chambers are on the upper side of the human heart. They are called auricles or atria. I'm spelling A-U-R-I-C-L-E-S. Auricles or atria. A-T-R-I-A. Atria. Singular will be atrium. Good. We have seen that the upper chambers of the heart are the auricles or the atria. 2 other chambers are located on the lower side of the human heart. You can see that one from the picture. They are called ventricles. I'm spelling V-E-N-T-R-I-C-L-E-S. Ventricles. Do you get that? Wow. The heart also has blood vessels. The blood vessels. The example are vena cava, pulmonary artery, aorta, pulmonary vein. I'm going to spell all those. Vena cava, V-E-N-A-C-A-V-A. vena cava. Pulmonary artery. P-U-L-M-O-N-A-R-Y. A-R-T-E-R-Y. Pulmonary artery. Aorta. A-O-R-T-A. Aorta. Then lastly, pulmonary vein. We had spelled pulmonary. Now I'm only spelling vein. V-E-I-N. Vein. Pulmonary vein. Are we together, students? That is fine. The human heart and the chambers are separated by valves on both the left and right sides. These valves, they prevent the blood from flowing backwards. If you look at that picture, you are going to see the valves. On the left of the picture, the valve is facing up. That means it will prevent the blood from getting back into the lower chambers. Once it has gone to the upper chambers, it will not come back. On the right, you will see the blood coming from the left auricle. The valves are facing down. That one is on the right of the picture. They are facing down. Once blood has gone down into the left ventricle, it cannot go back. That is the main reason why the valves are there. Are we together? Wow. The human heart chambers are separated by valves on both the left and right sides. Valves prevent the blood from flowing backwards. Separating the left side of the heart from the right side is a muscular wall called the septum. Remember, the division of the heart into 4 chambers is important as it ensures that oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix. I repeat, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood should not get mixed up. That is the reason why the heart is divided into several chambers, into several rooms, because each and every room has a separate function and does not go into another room's functions. Do you get that? Wow. Now, as we are ending the lesson, this is the work for you. You will get a good pencil. You will sit at a quiet place. Then look at the drawing from the textbook or from the paper that the parent or guardian printed. Now, draw the structure of the human heart in your notebook, as you can see it, and label the various parts of the human heart. Is that clear, students? Perfect. Once you have labeled, please make sure that you always read, refer, and then get to revise. That is the end of our lesson today. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you